Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be showing you some nighttime footage showing how well HDR works for two VIOFO A119 Mini 2 dash cameras. Both of these have the updated lens that started in production in July of 2023. In the first segment I'll be showing you footage from one of the cameras with HDR turned on and the other camera with HDR turned off, both with the CPL filters removed. In the middle segment, I'll show you an illuminated road sign test showing the two VIOFO A119 Mini 2s, a VIOFO A139 Pro, and a Thinkware U3000. And in the last segment, I'll show you some footage with a CPL filter installed on one of the A119 Mini 2s and no CPL filter installed on the second, both with HDR enabled, so you can see how much of an impact a CPL filter will have with this dash camera.